Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Calendar API and creating OAuth 2. 0 credentials in the Cloud Console, download credentials. JSON, then install the client libraries with pip so Python can talk to Google. Next, write a minimal auth flow that loads credentials. JSON requests scopes like calendar, events, and stores the token to token. JSON, this gives you a reusable session. Once done, you'll be ready to request the user's consent and obtain an access token for subsequent API calls. Now you implement the auth code, use installed app flow. From client secrets, file with scopes and run local server to open the browser. After consent, save creds to token, JSON, and wrap them so they auto-refresh using Google. Auth, transport, requests, request. Then construct the service object with build, calendar, v3, credentials equals creds. With that service, you can list calendars, create events, or patch existing entries. Make sure to check credential validity and refresh before making requests to avoid 401 errors during operations. Finish by performing API calls, use service, events. Insert to create an event with RFC 3339, start/end times, and list or patch as needed. You should set calendar ID to primary or a specific ID and include time zone for correct scheduling. If something breaks, check that the saved token has the right scopes and has been refreshed, confirm the calendar ID permissions, and inspect HTTP error codes for rate limits or invalid grant. If needed, delete token. JSON and rerun the OAuth flow to reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.